today. This is my channel, and today I have my mom with me.
Hi. So I'm excited because I'm going to be doing my makeup and Seijo's going to be doing her makeup, and we're just going to show you our routines and how we do it. So let's jump into it.
So here's the first thing that I'm starting with.
What is that? Is that, let's see, it's the First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothing Primer. Good thing, always put a primer on before you put the rest of your makeup on.
You only put it on first.
So I usually first put on this Beauty Counter Dew Skin. It's just a tinted moisturizer, but I already have it on. It does have SPF in it to protect you from the sun. So I'm going to go in with my foundation. This is Beauty Counter as well, and I usually mix linen and sand.
Okay, now the first thing I'm going to put this color. It's a rainbow. It's a really cute rainbow.
That's pretty.
It's the color of the rainbow.
I love you.
So the two colors I'm going to be doing is gold and pink. Which here's gold and here's pink.
Oh, that's so pretty. Next, I'm going to go in with my concealer, and I use two different shades, one for my face and then one for under my eyes because I like them to be really bright. This is the Double Wear Concealer. I swear by it. It's super light, it doesn't crease, but it lasts all day. Love it.
I'm going to cut my eyelashes. I have the eyelash cutter.
Curl.
I'm going to use the eyelash curler.
Your eyelashes are so pretty. You have like the longest eyelashes ever. What do you do special to them?
I just do this when they feel weird and it feels like I have an eyelash. I just do this.
Oh, push them up. That's smart.
I push them up and then down.
Oh, up and down. Okay.
And I do this.
That's a cool technique. I like it. I like it.
The next thing I'm putting on is this cute lipstick, which is my mom's.
Which one is that one? Oh, this came in the Ipsy box. If you guys can get a subscription to the Ipsy boxes, they're awesome. This is Ciate London. It's called Call Me is the shade.
Okay, now this is how it looks. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel.
Next, I'm going to go in with a cream bronzer. This is the Beauty Counter Bronze Glow. I love this stuff.
This time, I'm going to put it's a shimmer, makes your cheeks shimmer, and it's really cute.
Which one? Oh, that's the e.l.f. shimmer. Yeah, that's really pretty.
And then let me rub it in. And your hands will get shimmery, so you want to wash them.
Next, I'm going to go in with my cream blush. This is so old, but I love it. I don't think they even make it anymore. It's the Tarte Flush Cream Blush, and it just gives such a beautiful color to the skin and flush. Love it. You want to borrow it?
Yeah.
Put it on my cheeks. Let me show you how to do it.
I'll grab my brush.
You can use this one. Just use this one.
Okay. Here.
Stab it. Next, I'm going to go in with a cream highlighter. This is the RMS Magic Luminizer. I love this stuff. It just gives a pretty glow.
I need something from yours.
Yeah.
I have nothing.
Do you want the luminizer, or do you want this? Just put it up on your cheekbones, the top of your cheekbones, the tip of your nose, your Cupid's bow, and then right around your eyebrow, top of your eyebrow.
Okay, can you try that?
Just gives a pretty glow. We go in with my powder products to set all the cream products that I've used. This is what I use underneath my eyes, and I swear it makes my eyes so much brighter. It is the Well People Bio Brightener Invisible Powder. It's amazing. And I just use my Real Techniques sponge. I do not wet it. I just use it dry. Oh, you look pretty. You look really pretty. Now I'm going to go in with my bronzers. I use the Bahama Mama to kind of contour. I'm going to set everything with the Hourglass. I don't even know what the name of this is, but it's got 3 different shades in it, and I love this thing because it's not too heavy, but it just gives a beautiful sheen to the skin. Ooh, that looks really pretty. I like that blush.
It's some blush and it's
The Beauty Counter Blush Duo. Tawny and Whisper. Ooh, that looks really pretty on you.
here, you try it.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so sometimes I like to add a little glitter to my cheeks.
Oh, that's pretty. Yeah, I love glitter on you. I think I'm a little old for glitter, but I love it. If I wasn't too old, I would totally be putting glitter on with you, girl. Now I'm going to really bronze up the face. I am just using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil in medium deep. I can also be high maintenance. Gonna go in with another bronzer. This is the Hourglass Radiant Bronze Light.
That one's all mashed.
I know.
Guess what he did to your makeup? He almost brought it in the bathtub.
Did
and
one of them break?
No,
That's okay.
one of them got in the water.
That's okay. It happens.
Okay. I just used the eyelash to use this because I don't want to mess up any of my other brushes. You don't use the other brushes, you just use your small ones that they're already messed up. Just put it around the cheeks. I'm actually doing it on my eyelids.
I'm now going to go in and fill in my eyebrows. I'm just using the Flower Draw the Line Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Blonde.
And then I'm going to use just a little sponge. And I'm just going to dab it. I'm just going to dab it, and it gives it a little bit of a cleanish. So it's not too strong for your makeup because it's a little, mine gets a little strong and it's too strong for a kid. So I'm just gonna blush it.
Ooh, that looks
Give
pretty.
it a little rose.
Now I'm going to go in and do my eyeshadow. I love the Beauty Counter Romantic Eyeshadow Palette.
I'm doing bronzer and I have no idea what kind it is.
That is the Pixie Beauty Bronzer
Pixie
Summertime. You
Beauty
can get it from Target. What was your favorite thing about school today?
My favorite thing was going outside. Yeah, that was why I said all our jackets blew away. We took them off.
Oh, they blew away?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's crazy windy here in Kentucky today. It's like nuts. Lastly, I'm going to go in with a highlighter. That's usually what I do last. I love this highlighter. It's still a sample that I got. I haven't had to buy a new one. Yeah. And this is Tarte Exposed. You want to go first? And I love this huge fluffy fan brush for it.
What do you do?
Remember, it goes on the high points. So on the top of your cheekbone, tip of your nose, your Cupid's bow, which is right above your lip, and then right above and below your eyebrow.
Okay. Can you please put it on me?
Yeah. And then I have eyelash extensions because I do not have beautiful lashes like my daughter, so I don't have to put mascara on. And I'm just going to end it with a little bit of some lip gloss. My favorite, I don't even think they sell this in stores. I have to get it online at walmart.com. It's the Flower Lip Radiance High Shine Lip Lacquer in Pink About Me.
Thank you guys for watching my channel. Subscribe and I'll see you next time.
See you guys in the next one. Thank you for having me. Give me kisses. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Ran away.